If you guys want to learn how to make a robbable store just like Jailbreaks, then watch this video. And if this video gets 10 likes, I will make a robbable bank. So let's start. So this is how it goes. You walk in, you stand here. I made the bag 1,500, so it should stop there. I'm sorry about that, guys. So you go here, rob, and then I'll do. Of course, Kit is in Discord. Discord is in the description. And yeah. And if you want to see how for a bank tutorial and the bank actually closes and opens, then stay tuned. Just get this video to 10 or 15 likes and I'll do it. So, and series part 2 for simulator comes tomorrow. Okay, so first thing what you want to do is put, when you make it, first make the store itself, but when you make it, put a insert a part and make this part the width you want, because this is the part where we're going to be standing in and it's going to be robbable. That, and then do transparency 1, do can collide, and anchor it. Alright, and then what you want to do, okay, now you want to insert a part over here. This is going to be like the thing that detects the door. I'll just make it this big, and then you want to do, of course, transparency 1, anchor, and then can collide. And then with this part you want to name, oh yeah, this part you want to name this part detect detector, and this part name it door detector. Yeah. So now that we have that, we can insert a script into door detector, and now we can start scripting. Alright, we can start scripting. Line 1, you want to write script dot parents dot touch colon connect, and then function. You want to do this, but then delete this. Hit. Alright, now insert if hit dot parents find first child colon bracket humanoid. Whoops. Alright, I'm so sorry about that, guys. I accidentally X'd out humanoid. Then once you type then we want to type, if we okay, player equals game dot players get get player from character. All we have to do is just get this script, hit dot parent, right, and then you want to drop a line. And now, oops, what's going on with my mouse? If player dot robbing dot value equals true, then insert another line. Game dot replicated storage dot hide robbery GUI fire collide. Oh dear. Fired. We just want to do client, and then after we do for the player, and we do player dot leader. We're gonna make the leader stats right after this. We want to do a lowercase. There's no leader stats, so right now every single little bit is gonna be red. And player dot leader stat dot money dot value equals player dot money. Then just copy this. Plus value plus player dot cash collected dot value, and then drop a line. player dot cache equal dot value. Guys, I'm making a jailbreak game, so I'm really getting used to the scripting things. Player dot robbing value equal false. There we are. Script is done. You have to go check over it. And now, right now, the script doesn't make any sense, but let's go make it actually, make sense. So, actually, what we want to do so the script knows it should end. Maybe put end and another end here. We must make it end, but put a bracket at this one. Let's go. In workspace, you want to insert a script called money giver. Then when you insert it, like insert a script and then name it money giver. And when you insert it, you type this. Guys, please forgive me. I'm only showing you this is because I do not have time. I just have like 4 more minutes to record, and then it will end. So copy it, pause the video. Here's the bottom. If you guys didn't make it to the top. Oh yeah, also let me explain this one. This one right here, it's like how much the bag will get full. Like this, like a bank in Jailbreak, you can collect I think 3,000, and then you can collect even more, and that's how much. And this is how much it goes up by. You can make it go up by 10, and I'll make it go up by 50, and that's pretty much it for money giver. If you guys didn't get it, pause it for here, and then we scroll down and you pause it for here. All right, now go to replicated storage, insert 2 remote events, and name one hide robbery GUI. Name the other one show robbery GUI. Alright, now in server script storage, you want to insert a server script storage, insert insert a script and name it leaderboard, and then just do this. You could pause the video for this one. This one is very simple. It's just a leaderboard script, and actually next after simulator part 2, I'll be showing you guys how to do a leaderboard script. So leaderboard script is very easy in my opinion. And then after once you guys have done the script, let me check if there's any more other scripts that we have to go through. No, there's not. And blah blah blah. And then after the one, this is a GUI. This GUI, I know it has a script into it, but it's fine. This GUI, it's all gonna be in the description, okay? Description or my Discord. But if you want the full kit with everything in here, it's gonna be my Discord. And now let's go test it out. Okay, let's go test it out, and then after I'll be testing out another thing just to prove out that. Let's check if the scripts actually work by testing out. Oh wait, yeah. Why is Guys, I'm sorry if my voice is deep. I forgot to mention it in the last video. This mic makes my voice way too deep. Let's go test it out. 50. Yep, it's going pretty well. And now it should stop at 1,500. Let's check it out. Alright, and now it didn't give it to us. Let's go check it out. Nothing is wrong with the script. It was just a glitch, so I went to try it again. There's literally nothing. We just go rob. Our bag should get full anytime at sleepy. Okay, and our bag is full. Look, I'm gonna stand. It's not going off. So let's go, and now we got the money. If it's not working, you can join my Discord, get the kit, but it should work. I do not see any problems, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Yeah, peace out. I was just checking if there's a glitch. Peace out, guys. Yeah. So, like, subscribe, and share, and join my Discord. Link in the description. I knew I was missing something. I knew it. Alright. Cooldown. I think the cooldown is finished. Let's go check it out. Yep. Alright, guys. Peace out.